What's the meaning of CSI, crime scene investigation? CSI, crime scene investigation. CSI, crime scene investigation.
CSI, crime scene investigation. CSI, crime scene investigation. CSI, Crime Scene Investigation is a popular American television series that explores the world of forensic science in solving crimes. The show revolves around a team of crime scene investigators who use their expertise in various fields of forensic science to gather evidence and analyze data to solve cases. The team typically examines physical evidence, such as blood, fingerprints, and DNA, as well as analyzing information from witnesses and suspects. The series has been praised for its accuracy and attention to detail in portraying the scientific methods used to solve crimes.